Looking for the best oscillating tool for your next project? Stick around as we reveal the top 5 picks on the market. First things first. When selecting an oscillating tool, consider its motor power. A higher amp or voltage rating usually means better performance for heavy-duty tasks. If you're working on specific material and application, check out the oscillating tool's variable speed. Slower speeds offer more control for intricate cuts or detailed work, while higher speeds are ideal for removing grout, scraping adhesive, or cutting through tougher materials. Lastly, pay attention to ergonomics. A comfortable grip and lightweight design can make a big difference during prolonged use. Now, let's explore our top picks and see how they stack up. First on our list is the Dremel Multimax M5001 oscillating tool. This tool features a powerful 5-amp motor and variable speed control ranging from 10,000 to 21,000 oscillations per minute. The angled body design offers better control and comfort during prolonged use. Next is the Bosch GOP18V28N oscillating tool. This professional-grade oscillating tool is cordless and powered by an 18 volts battery. It offers a wide 3.6-degree oscillating arc for better productivity and features the StarLock Plus interface for easy accessory changes. The DEWALT Atomic 20 volts max oscillating multi-tool is a compact yet powerful option. Its brushless motor provides efficient performance and longer runtime. With a variable speed trigger and a universal accessory adapter, this tool is both versatile and user-friendly. The Milwaukee M18 oscillating multi-tool is designed for heavy-duty applications. Its 18 volts motor delivers up to 18,000 oscillations per minute, and the tool-free blade change system enhances efficiency on the job. The ergonomic design ensures comfort even during prolonged use. Lastly, we have the Black & Decker 2.5 ampere oscillating multi-tool. This budget-friendly option features a variable speed of 10,000 to 20,000 oscillating per minute with a variable speed control and a compact design, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and light to medium tasks. Each of these oscillating tools has its unique strengths, catering to different needs and budgets. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tool reviews.